Hi everyone, in this video session I would like to discuss the quicksort code. Here I will explain it very clearly. If you have any doubts, comment below. And this is in this quicksort I use two methods and one main class, and two methods are partition and the other method is sort. So partition is used for dividing the given array into two halves by using the pivot, and the sort is used for sorting the given array. So I created a class named as quicksort. Here in this quicksort I take method int partition. In this partition I took an array and its lower index is represented by L and its upper index is represented by H. So in this partition I took pivot as the upper index will be the pivot. In my example I already told that I took upper index as a pivot, and I equals to L minus 1, that means lower index minus 1, because for swapping I must be less than the lower index. After that we will increment it by 1 when we are swapping. So here I am taking for loop for sorting the array. If a of j is less than pivot, then I have to first of all increment it. After incrementing I have to swap it. So for swapping I took a temporary variable. In that temporary I stored array of I value, and in array of I value I took array of j value, because we are swapping it. So array of j must be temporary. So after this I have to close my if loop and the for loop. After for loop I have to return what? I have to swap. I have to return and swap array of I plus 1 and pivot. For swapping the pivot and array of I plus 1 I took some temporary variable. In the temporary variable I stored array of I plus 1, and in array of I plus 1 I took array of high. So array of high, which is the pivot, and array of high as temp. I think so you understood it. And after that I have to return it. Return I plus 1 because its position is correct, so we are returning it. After that void sort. Void sort I take the array comma and lower index and upper index. In this sort, if when L is less than H, which means that there is more than a single element. So for partitioning, int p is equal to partition of. So in this partition I use array, low and h. So as we took the array as an int method, so we declared int value, int partition p is equals to, and here for sorting, int array for left subpart, for the left subpart sort of a comma l comma p minus 1, for right subpart a comma p plus 1 comma high. So here after this I have to close this void sort, and after that main class public static void main string aux of. After this, in this main class I have to declare the array. So the array is, I took some 9 comma 7 comma 5, some random elements. Okay, and for I took a scanner to scan the whole elements into the array. Here the scanner is used to return the values to the methods. So void sort and void partition will be depend upon this scanner only. So q dot sort of, so we are returning it to sort a comma, so its lower index will always be 0 and its upper index must be length minus 1. Why we are declaring minus 1? Tell me. You have to comment below. And system dot out dot print ln, we are printing the array, so the sorted array. So for this sorted array I have to take for loop. For int I equals to 0, I must be less than a dot length, and I must be incremented. So in this for loop I have to print system dot out dot print ln. So for printing the array a of I plus, okay. After this, close off your main and close off our class. Here something I wrote it wrong. For loop partition, for after this int partition has been closed and void partition has been closed, and public static this also been closed, and there is no need of this. So I want to compile it. So there itself we have the error, we have to change that. Okay, again I would like to save it and compile it, and the sorted array is here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 32. So the whole array is sorted, and I think so you understood it very clearly. If you have any doubts, comment below, and in the description I would like to provide the whole code in my website, and you may go to my website and visit it. And thank you for everyone, and share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.